Hello guys, welcome to AIM Unboxing. This is your host Ari. So today I have an amazing product to unbox. So it's a RGB large mousepad. So I was searching for a mousepad from a long time, and recently I came across with a mousepad which has RGB lighting in it. So this is the mousepad. So it's a huge box. I mean, it's not a conventional mousepad, so it's a large size, and the brand of this mousepad is Offbeat, and the model number is GMSX5. So this is a company from Offbeat, and as you can see, the package quality is not very good. I'm not happy with it, so I would like to convey things to Amazon that please improve your packaging quality of this. So let's go and check out the unboxing of this RGB mousepad. Thank you. Okay guys, so this is the box we have got. As you can see, quality is very poor, and so this is the front side, as you can see. So it's GMS X5 is written over here, and the company is Offbeat. This side, the logo, model name is given over here. It's a black color. In this side you can read the stuffs, all the details of it. So let's unbox it. This is the worst package I have ever received in my life. So this is the mousepad. So let's throw the box, because there is not much in the box to discuss. I was searching for a mousepad from a long time which gives me the comfortability of working in a desk. So let's open this. It's a large mousepad, as you can see. So it's an RGB mousepad. The size of this pad is 80 centimeter into 30 centimeter, and it has 14 color of RGB size. So this is the user manual. Now let me take a closer look what we have got. We have the mousepad, we have the USB cable, and we have the user manual. And in this side it's given the clear instructions, so you can read it. Now let's talk about this mousepad. Now the cable, the USB cable quality looks good to me. Now the pricing of this mousepad is 999 as per today. So I will give the latest price. So it's a braided cable, as you can see. The cable quality looks good to me, and yes, it's a micro USB. So it's a micro USB. Let's keep this cable aside and let's talk about this mousepad. So it's a large size. Yes, now it's good. So it's a large size. So this is the back side of the mousepad. The rubber, it's a rubber type material, anti-slippery, so it will not slip. And this is the edge. So let me show you a closer look. So here the RGB strip is given. Nice looking material. So this is the front side of the mousepad. In the front side, it has a anti-slippery fabric as well, and most important feature is this fabric is water resistant. You can throw splash water, it will take it. Now let me bring this. So this is the main part of the mouse pad. The controller is given over here. You can control the RGB lighting by pressing this button 2 times. Offbeat logo is given over here. It's a good quality mouse pad looks like, but we will get to know after using it for few months or few weeks. So let's connect it with the laptop I have, and let's assemble, and we will then check the colors. So as you can see, I have powered it on, and it looks like to me that the RGB is only here. So there is only 2 RGB lights, one is here and one is here, and it's flowing throughout the tube. So the color looks like great to me. I have my Logitech mouse over here, so it's working fine. It's not that much slippery. It's great. So let me change the RGB from here. So if you press this button 2 times, then it will decrease the light. If you press this button 2 times again, it will increase the light. Now if you want to change the light, you just simply press once. So as you can see, it's changing. Now, so this looks great to me as of now. The lights brightness is also great because I have 2 lights on, and still the brightness is justified. I don't know how much it is justifying in the camera, but it looks stunning to me. How much you will get? What are the features you will get in the price point of 999? So this looks great. Let's change the light once again. It has pink. I guess it's a pink. Okay. So it has 14 colors. If you long press this, you can change the lights animation. Sorry about the jerk. Camera is not still it's not placed properly. So now let's try to change it. So you can switch off by long pressing it if you don't want the LED to emulate. So you can switch it off. Now to switch it on again back, just press 3 seconds this button. So let me give you a closer look. You just press this button 3 seconds. So that's it. You can see how the LED is glowing. Looks great. It's changing. It's a breathable color. Okay, so we have seen the unboxing. We have seen how this looks great. So I am as of now I am impressed with the lighting of this mousepad, RGB mousepad from Offbeat. By looking this, I think a bit points that could be better. I think it will be better if we get extra large, larger than 80 centimeters or 31 inch. So that will be better if we get it. But as of now, this is the largest size I have got, and I have purchased it from Amazon with a price point of 999. So I will give the Best Buy link of this mousepad in the description. and as well as I will give the price. So if you want, you can purchase this from Amazon. To me, it looks like that within the price point of 1K, it is a great deal. It is a great deal that you are getting a mouse pad, a large size mouse pad of 31 inches with the price point of this. So to me, in my setup, it's a great deal. So you can go for it. And okay, that's it for this video. I think uh, if you guys liked it, then please hit the like button very hard, so that will motivate me to create many more videos like this. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel. It's AM Unboxing. Please hit the bell icon, and within that you will get a all symbol, so please hit that as well.